Dashcam reports a spike in dangerous driving videos. Attention drivers! Good news for all of you who follow the traffic laws. Because from now on, it's not just the police who'll be watching out for those annoying, reckless drivers on street corners. The rise of citizens monitoring Britain's roads with in-car cameras is causing an increase in videos of dangerous driving. Could this mean the end of road accidents and unsafe driving? Fasten your seatbelts. Today, we're going down a new road. In the last few years, the number of footage of reckless drivers on British roads has been increasing, especially after the relaxation of measures resulting from the COVID pandemic. Does this mean that British drivers have agreed to recreate a Fast and Furious movie? Well, not exactly. Although it is very common to find this kind of footage on American TV, the truth is that this has been a problem hidden from the public eye and brought to light after the creation of the NDCSP. If that's Greek for you, I invite you to find out what this acronym means so we can talk about this noble cause for road safety. If you know, let us know in the comments below. But first, like and subscribe to this video. Let's go! Unsafe driving has been a constant problem for police officers in recent times. In fact, police sometimes do not have sufficient support to stop offenders. At the same time, and as a result of encouragement from road safety support groups, there have been proposals to improve the policing of roads and highways by drivers themselves. Thus, in order to simplify the process of reporting a reckless driver, many began to install cameras on their dashboards, the dashcams, partly following the example that has been applied in Russia for some years now. If there is one thing the automotive industry has left us, is that if we have to copy something, it must be the good stuff. National Dashcam Safety Portal. Finally, in 2018, the National Dashcam Safety Portal Group was created, or by its acronym NDCSP, which materialized the efforts of these groups for the improvement of road safety. Before the creation of the portal, witnesses had to collect video footage and send it via social media. Now, by simply setting the dashcam to record and observing a dangerous driver, it is enough to upload the file to the NDCSP portal and send the link to the respective police force. But only drivers are involved? Of course not. Besides drivers, every pedestrian, motorcyclist, cyclist and horse rider can upload their video to the site. Pretty cool, huh? And you know what the coolest thing is? Even though by 2022 there will be increased bans on the use of mobile phones while driving your car, you'll still be able to use it as a dashcam and record your rides or an offender with your mobile phone as long as it's held in a mount, and upload it to the NDCSP portal. Collaboration between drivers and police. The company behind the portal, NextBase, is looking to provide this public service to help police forces who have been reducing the number of road safety officers over the last 10 years. Thanks to the initiative taken in Wales in 2016 to involve drivers in recording other reckless drivers and making the respective reports to police forces. The rest of Britain did not hesitate too long to implement the same project when they saw that the results were well on track. Of course, there is a procedure for making such reports. After making the video capture, the witness uploads the video to the NDCSP and then fills out a single form that constitutes a standardized testimony of the event that will be used to proceed with the complaint. We went a bit legal, but you need to know how this process works and make a correct witness statement. If you could survive this little bit of legal class, let me congratulate you on your effort. I'll also take this opportunity to ask you to give this video a nice like if you enjoy it, and to subscribe to the channel. Why the sudden spike in dangerous driving? In the last 12 months, there has been an 85% increase in the number of uploads after the return of drivers to the roads post-quarantine. As a result, 38 of the UK's 43 police forces have taken action against these offenders, either with postal warnings, fixed penalty notices, or direct legal action in court. But why have drivers become so savage? The truth is hard, and it's all due to current events. After the post-COVID lock-ins, the increase in petrol and energy prices does not sit well with everyone. Many drivers are fed up, and that is a fact, but that doesn't mean they have a right to be a public menace to other drivers. Today, road safety awareness has been increasing, and some drivers have improved their driving habits. However, there is still a long way to go. What can we do about it? To see real change on the road, it all starts with you and the rest of the driving community watching this video and sharing this with them. In the meantime, the NDCSP portal is still receiving videos of offenders, and you may be the next witness of an offence, so make sure you have your dashcam turned on. Did you know about the National Dashcam Security Portal? And if so, have you uploaded any videos of offenders to this portal? I would be delighted to see your answers in the comments. We'll have time to talk about your comments and other issues in a future video. Anyway, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so we can bring you more content related to the motoring world. Thank you very much for following us, and see you in the next episode.